Hello, good day, everybody. It's Daniel. So today we'll be talking about 3 R's approach to effectively work in a cross-cultural environment. So, so the first R we have is recognize, which basically means increase awareness of cultural differences. So before engaging with a foreign business with different cultural background, we need to know bits of that culture itself. We begin with selecting cultural dimensions to examine, and then we evaluate their impact on the type of business we are engaged in. For example, we are engaged in the rubber business where we work closely with a French company called Michelin. We need to examine and evaluate whether they will have impact on our rubber local rubber company based in Malaysia. Next is collectivism and individualistic culture seldom go hand in hand. For context, individualism and collectivism reflects the extent to which people prefer to take care of themselves or their organization as a whole. In high collectivism countries, there is preference for group decision making, while individual decision making is much valued in high individualistic countries such as the US. The second R is respect, or appreciating cultural differences. Respect is admired for the worth of culture. Apart from identifying and assessing another culture's key dimensions, we also have to adapt our own views of the world in order to give them the recognition they deserve. Basically, it means that everybody has a say in the global scale. Nobody should or have the power to suppress each other. At least that's what it's assumed. Now, next is we do not make assumptions or and oversimplifying a certain culture, be it collectivism or individualistic. Appreciating the positive differences between ourselves and colleagues of different culture will achieve our main objective, which usually are profits. So, after achieving recognition and respecting other cultures, we go to the third R, which is reconcile or reconciling. It basically means, again, same, increasing awareness of cultural differences. However, there is more to it. After achieving the two steps prior, we apply knowledge and cultural empathy to attempt converting the differences into agreement and harmony in pursuing the shared common goal and objective by seeking uncommon information. In a cross cultural management scenario, it can be challenging to gather all the information needed. Usually, people fail to implement the ideas because they are being reluctant in the infamous not invented here syndrome. This happens when a person or a group reject new ideas from culturally different people or sometimes even within groups themselves. Developing shared understanding is key to tackle this syndrome where everyone get the idea of what needs changing so everyone are able to prioritize on the results and not get bogged down on how things are done by the usual. To sum up, the 3 R's can help us grow and improve our ability to manage diverse groups and teams as well as catapulting in performance within the organization itself. Success is achieved through utilizing the differences to gain new perspective to solve problems.